Hello there. My name is Kenny Rowe, and this is School Finance. On behalf of Oklahoma Wesleyan University and the Adult Graduate Studies, I would say welcome to School Finance, course number 6247, as part of your Masters of Education program. My goals for you for this course is to help you learn the content and apply the learning in a contextual manner that will enable you to be a successful educational leader. My other goal for you in this course is for me to model a biblical Christian worldview so that you will always understand an ethical responsibility in dealing with public school finances. Okay, the objectives or learner outcomes for this course include being able to explain the major areas of school revenue and the major areas of school expenditures, be able to understand what the state school funding formula is, be able to recognize and apply all the weighted categories within the state aid formula, describe what the budget process in public school finance is, identify payroll and non-payroll items, identify what are fixed costs, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of various budgeting process, and explain the basic concepts of school finance funds to include the general fund, the activity fund, the building fund, the sinking fund, and the enterprise fund. We also want to talk about the purchasing procedures, explain the legalities that impact school finances, and analyze ethical issues in school finance. So the things that will enable you to be successful in this course, I would encourage you to get a three-ring binder and ink pens and write down questions that you have as you read through your materials. This will always pay dividends for you. Keep this in this three-ring binder and refer back to it when you're in your education leadership position. The other thing that I want you to be able to know is that you can contact me at any time that you have questions, whether you like to visit via email or by cell phone. You can call me or text me or even set up a Zoom conference. I am always welcome to take your messages. And I have a goal to try to get back with the students within the hour, if all feasible. So I look forward to working with you in this class.